Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with the exercise 3.1 from Understanding Quadrilaters from 8th class NCERT. The question was, find the angles measure x in the following figures. Here I took two figures from the given question. Before going into the finding x angle, we have to find the value of here also. Let's assume it as a. Because of we know all sum of interior quadrilaterals is nothing but 360 degrees. So before going into that, we have to find this value and we can add up these all four angles, then we get x value. So let's start from step by step procedure. Here the first, let's assume before going into the assume, let's assume as here A, and this is B, this is C, and this is D. Let's assume ABCD quadrilateral. Next, and also assume angle A at DAB, angle A at point A. So now we have to find this, but take here to here, this is in a line, we have two. I am drawing like this here. This is the line A and B. So here it is a right angle, but here we have to find the A. In a point we know about the angle sum property. In a line, it is nothing but, in a line we have 180 degrees. So this is nothing but 90 degrees. So find, this is A plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Is this correct? So A equal to 180 degrees minus 90. So 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. So we get A as a 90 degrees. Next, the sum of angles of a quadrilateral. The sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So now here 90 degrees plus x plus 70 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to the 360 degrees. Next, by adding these, x plus 90 plus 70 is nothing but 160, 160 plus 60, 220 degrees equal to 360 degrees. Now by keeping variable at one side, constant at one other side, 360 degrees minus 220 degrees. So x equal to 360 minus 220, nothing but 140 degrees. So here answer is the 140 degrees. So finally, so the angle x equal to 140 degrees. This is the answer for this question. Next, moving into this question. Next, moving into the next question, we have to find the x values of this. So let's assume, this is the answer. Let's assume here this is A and this is as a B. So if you take, let's assume A and B angles of interior 5-sided polygon. Next, if you apply linear pair property, it nothing but at a point we have 180 degrees. So if you apply this here, it is like this. This is 70 degrees and this is A. So here nothing but equation is 70 degrees plus A equal to 180 degrees. So A equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So we get answer as 110 degrees. Next, coming to the next one, this is 60 degrees, this is B. So we get B plus 60 degrees equal to the 180, same linear property. So here B equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, that is nothing but 120 degrees. So we get A here, this is B. Now the sum of interior angles is 540 because of it's a pentagon. That is nothing but 5-sided polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So that is 540. So here A is nothing but 110 degrees plus B is nothing but 120 degrees and X plus 30 degrees plus here also X equal to 360 degrees. Here we have to know that was these two X values are same. So we conclude that this is just 2X. Then we can add 110 plus 120 is nothing but 230. 230 plus 30 is equal to the 260 degrees. Sorry, here 540. So this is 540 degrees. Here 2x equal to 540 degrees minus 260 degrees, that is nothing but 280 degrees. 2x equal to 280 degrees and x equal to 140 degrees. So finally we get the answer. So the angle x is equal to the 140 degrees. This was the answer. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.